Welcome back to Being Talk About channel. Hi, nice to meet you again, here with me, Andrew. There are a lot of things people are talking about out there. As for us, let's start from here. Many people are already trying to save money, but there are still gaps that are not expected. Money is still difficult to last long in savings. There are some things that many people do not realize where their savings leak from. Therefore, let's discuss 8 facts that are often overlooked by most people. Let's begin. Number 1. Bank fees. Whether you're paying fees to withdraw money from an out-of-network ATM or paying monthly service fees for simply having a checking account, small fees can add up to a significant amount of money wasted over time. According to a Bankrate survey, the average monthly fee for non-interest checking accounts, excluding free checking accounts, was just over $5 last year, while the fee for interest-bearing checking accounts was more than $16 for those who didn't meet the requirements to waive the fee. Reduce your waste. Change banks. According to Bankrate, nearly half of checking accounts have no monthly maintenance fees at all. If you can't avoid monthly fees with your current bank, the cost of those fees will most likely outweigh any interest you're earning. Number 2. Buy items you don't need. There's no denying the rush you get when you find an item for a fraction of its normal price. However, buying something you don't need simply because it's on sale can quickly lead to overspending. Reduce waste by waiting 24 hours before purchasing something on sale the next time you're tempted. Often, the initial thrill of getting a good deal will wear off, and you will be able to walk away from the transaction. Number 3. Subscriptions you don't use. According to a Chase study from last year, more than 70% of consumers wasted more than $50 per month on recurring payments for things they didn't need or want. According to Julie Ramhold, a consumer analyst with Deal News, one reason for this is that people frequently sign up for free trials and then fail to cancel when the trial period expires. These things are put on autopay, and people don't realize they're paying for something they don't even use. Ramhold adds, that's a simple way to throw money away. Reduce waste even if you have your credit card set to autopay, which is a smart way to avoid late payment fees. Carefully review your statement each month and cancel any accounts that are not in good standing. Number 4. Food waste. According to the Natural Resources Defense Council, up to 40% of food in the United States is never eaten. While your family's food waste may be lower, we're all guilty of having to toss wilted salad greens or leftovers brought home from a dinner out. Reduce your expenses. Before you go to the supermarket, go through your refrigerator. Then, base your meals and shopping list on what you already have. You'll not only be sure to use those items before they spoil, but you'll also be less likely to buy new groceries that go to waste. Number 5. Extended warranties. According to Ramhold, while extended warranties on your car, appliances, or other electronic devices may offset the cost of future repairs, they aren't always a good deal for consumers. According to Ramhold, the cost of the plan sometimes exceeds the cost of any potential repairs, or it does not cover the issue that you have. Furthermore, many credit cards offer extended warranty coverage on certain purchases, so you may be paying for coverage that you already have. Reduce waste. Rather than paying for an extended warranty, consider putting your extra money into an emergency fund to cover the cost of repairs if they occur. You may be able to avoid this expense entirely if you already have a fully funded emergency account. Number 6. Overpaying for insurance. Home and auto insurance costs typically rise over time, but if you've been with the same provider for several years, you may want to shop around to see if you can find a better deal. New customers get new customer deals, said Andrea Warwick, a consumer savings expert. You might be able to find a policy that provides the same or better coverage for a lower price. Reduce waste. To obtain insurance quotes, visit websites such as thezebra.com or Policy Genius if you're happy with your current coverage and provider. Other ways to save money include bundling home and auto insurance with the same provider and raising your deductible. Warwick claims that by doing these two things, she was able to reduce her insurance bill by $1,100 per year. Number 7. Credit card interest. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, high-interest debt and credit card fees cost American households an average of $1,000 per year. When you carry a balance on your credit card, it becomes an expensive burden that can drag down your finances. Reduce waste. If you are in debt, prioritize paying down your existing balance and putting your credit cards on hold for the time being. If you have a credit card debt problem, it's probably a good time to put the card away and use the cash method or a debit card instead. Hold advised. Number 8. Think carefully. This point is the ultimate of the 7 points above, and you can use it in every situation. Under no circumstances do this 8th point first. Think again, and again before deciding to take money out of your pocket. Do not rush to decide. Think in a calm time and not with lust and unstable emotions. But don't misunderstand that this is not in a stingy context. However, it must be followed by 2 rules that are always used before issuing it. What's that? 1. Ask yourself, what benefits do I get by spending money at this time? 2. Then ask yourself again, what bad things do I get by spending money at this time? So don't ever act in your pocket before making the 2 rules above you use. I hope this video is useful for you. See you in another video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment so we can continue to work to spread benefits.